2 pilots, 2 gunners, 2 engineers. There's our crew.
Engineers right behind the gunners.
Turn around and face him.
You also want to be a pilot, my friend. He's gonna kill him. He's gonna what?
It'll be fine. It'll be fine. He's gonna.
Oh dear. Well, here's our.
Why? No, I wasn't. I was in the gunner spot.
Good luck to you all. You might need it. Today's flight takes you to the planet Corellia. You will be intercepting a first-order train shipment of coaxium. Gunners, you clear the path. Pilots, line up behind the train. And engineers, you harpoon that precious cargo. Move on, my friends. See you in the cockpit. I will be in the cockpit, of
Por
course.
favor, permanezcan sentados y cuide a los niños. Gracias.
Items at your feet. Buckle up. Seatbelts.
Flight engineer, repair test. Hit your flashing buttons.
You're not any better than a child.
Good job, engineer. Right pilot, push the flashing button to take off. Pilot on the left, move your stick to fly right and left. I was just about to say that. Pilot on the right, pull back on the stick to fly up and push forward to fly down. Weapons are online.
Oh wait! Oh my God!
Pilot, hit the boosters. Now let's go get that coax out. Right pilot, make the jump to light speed.
I promise I won't. Pilot, jump speed.
Yes, keep shooting. They've locked onto us. Take evasive action. There it is. After that plane. Flight engineers, fire the engine. Now guys, keep the cargo free. The pilot brakes. Oh, that could have been much worse. Okay, it's much worse. Yes, you got one. Excellent, my friends. Power up the ship. Well, I grab and go axiom. You see, just as I promised, my friend. Now that the resistance has what they need, maybe I did something for Hondo. Pilots, line up behind the train so we can harpoon that last car. Get behind the train. Runners, shoot the train.
I get it.
Yes, keep mashing those controls.
What do you think I'm doing?
Keep shooting.
Oh my God.
Oh, gunship. Oh, that's ridiculous. Things are getting too hot. Look out, get out of here. Yes, a distraction. Fire the missiles at the train. The Star Destroyer is collapsing. Yes, pilot, hit the boosters. Boosters. We made it. I don't believe it, but we made it. Now, let's get out of here.
I am the best pilot ever. Yeah. Fucked. Oh my God! I'm not doing nothing.
Yes, Chewie will pilot us in remotely. You retrieve one container of coaxium. This will greatly help the resistance. You will earn the first order and made Chewie proud. Now I have to
Break your
buy
fingers
modest
and
profit.
leave me.
Your cut minus what you owe me for damaging the Falcon is... Oh, that is rough.
That was all you. You weren't pushing up. You weren't pulling. You couldn't make it. How much profit did you make?
R5, damage
I made
report.
56,000.
Engine failure. All right.
Yeah, it kept track of our things.
Hyperdrive. That is not too good.
Well, we can't really do anything there.
Multiple hull ruptures. Well, it could be worse. Life support failure. Okay, that's something.
You're all my
Yeah, I'm just going to cut you off there. It might be faster. It's not damaged. You know, the ones that help us to breathe. All right, my friends. You brought the Falcon back in one piece, and I guess that is time for you to go. And don't worry, the payment is on the way.
I don't
Trust
want to
me.
go. I was like, pushing out the buttons. Quit.
Thank you. This thing is practically scrap metal.